Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. And up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play the song that would never, ever end. Love, 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 to dance with my father again. My mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to him. He made me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Got my heart where I want to see. He left a lover under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could get one final glance, one final glance, one final dance with him, I pray the song that would never, never end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again.